Good morning, dear students. In yesterday's class, we have discussed regarding the introduction of the chemistry. Now we know what is the meaning of chemistry here. Chemistry means, what is the meaning of chemistry? Chemistry means it is a branch of science which deals with the study of composition, structure and properties of the matter. Okay, that is known as chemistry. Now what are the properties means? Already we know properties means nothing but they may be the physical properties or the chemical properties. Okay, can you tell me the examples for the physical properties? Physical properties means melting point, boiling point, color, odor, viscosity, refractive index. All these things come under the physical properties. And what about the chemical properties means? Chemical properties means whatever the substance we have taken, okay, if it is treated with the another reactant at that time, which type of products are formed and whatever the products that are formed during the course of the reaction, now that products are exhibiting which type of properties, all those things can be studied under this chemistry. Okay, right. Next we have discussed regarding the which one means so branches of chemistry. So in branches of chemistry already we know there are different types of the branches there. Now in this class we are going to discuss regarding that branches. Okay, right. Now coming to the branches here. So in chemistry we observe the different types of the branches. What are the branches means? Important branches means, I will write that important branches. First one is organic chemistry, second one is inorganic and third one is physical chemistry. These three are important for us. Okay, in our PU syllabus also mostly. So these are the three branches that are present. Okay, now in PU syllabus we are going to discuss all these branches. Remaining some more branches are there. Okay, in higher sections means in higher classes we are going to discuss regarding that branches. Okay, what are the remaining branches means? It is pharmaceutical chemistry, industrial chemistry, okay, biochemistry, nuclear chemistry, okay, like that. So we observe the presence of the different types of the branches in chemistry. Okay, now today we will discuss regarding some important branches. Okay, right. First one among all these branches. So first one is, what is that branch means? It is organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is very important when compared to that of the remaining branches. Now doubt arises. Sir, why organic is more important when compared to that of the remaining branches means? What is the reason for that one means? Because in this organic chemistry we are going to synthesize a million number of compounds, but such type of thing is not observed if you take the another branches. So that's why it is very important. Organic chemistry is very important. Okay, right. Now first, organic chemistry means nothing but so study of carbon compounds. Study of carbon compounds. Study of carbon compounds is known as organic chemistry. Okay, sir, why this in case? It means if you take a periodic table, already we know in that periodic table, so we observe the presence of how many number of elements means total 118 elements are there. Among those 118 elements, okay, so carbon is very important when compared to that of the remaining elements. What is the reason for that one means? Because carbon is the one of the most important element which exhibits some anomalous behavior or it shows some special properties here. So due to that reason only Okay, so carbon is very very important. What are that special properties that are exhibited by the carbon? Now that are going to be discussed. Before that point, so if you take this organic chemistry is very important when compared to that of the other branches. What is the reason for that one is because we can synthesize a large number of or million number of compounds by using this carbon atom. So due to that reason only, this organic chemistry is very very important when compared to that of the other branches. Okay, right. Now coming to this organic chemistry. Now in organic chemistry, what we are going to discuss means so organic chemistry means so a branch of science. Okay, in which we are going to study. We are going to study. We are going to study the hydrocarbons and their derivatives. Okay, organic chemistry means it is a branch of chemistry in which we are going to study regarding the hydrocarbons and their derivatives. Okay, now again one doubt arises for you. What is the doubt means? What are hydrocarbons? What are hydrocarbons? Hydrocarbons means I will write the definition of the compounds okay, are the substances which are having carbon and hydrogen. Means whatever the compounds we are taking, if the compounds are having carbon and hydrogen, then such type of compounds are called as hydrocarbons. Okay, and hydrocarbons. Okay, this is the definition for the hydrocarbons. Now here it means in organic chemistry we are going to discuss regarding the what are the properties of this hydrocarbons. Okay, hydrocarbons means alkanes, alkenes, alkynes and aromatic compounds. Best example for that aromatic compounds means benzene is the best example for the aromatic compound. Okay, let it be one. In first year organic chemistry is there. In that organic chemistry we are going to discuss regarding the classification of the hydrocarbon. Under this we are going to discuss regarding all these stuff, that is alkanes, alkenes, alkynes and aromatic hydrocarbons. Best example is benzene. Even in your lower section also you may have discussed regarding the alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. Once again we will repeat all those things. Okay, in first year also. Okay, right. Let it be. Now here what is the meaning of organic chemistry means? It is a branch of science, okay, which deals with study of hydrocarbons and their derivatives. This is known as organic chemistry. One more point, that is study of carbon compounds, that is also known as organic chemistry. Okay, right. Now if you know this carbon is exhibiting some anomalous properties. Okay, what are the anomalous properties that is exhibited by the carbon means? I will write some important points. Okay, right. I will write that point. That is special properties or anomalous properties. Special properties exhibited by carbon. Anomalous properties of carbon are the special properties that are exhibited by the carbon. What are the names? First one, this one is very very important. What is that one means? It is catenation. What is the special property? First special property of that carbon means, first one is catenation. Okay, first I will tell you the catenation. What is the definition for catenation means? I will write here. Catenation means, so it is the special property that is exhibited by the carbon. Okay, what is the definition for this catenation means? Self linkage of identical atoms, self linkage of identical atoms to form chains, rings or side chains. Okay, that is known as catenation. Now tell me, what is the definition for catenation? Self linkage of identical atoms. Identical atoms means same atoms. This is the point you have to remember. Self linkage of identical atoms to form chains, rings or the side chains. Now here, coming to the carbon. Now if you consider the carbon here, now chain means like this. Okay, right. Next R. Sometimes it may form the rings also like this. Okay, sometimes so we may observe the side chains in the rings. Now this is the ring. In that ring we observe the presence of the side chain. Okay, right. What is the definition for catenation? Catenation means self linkage of identical atoms. Identical means same. Now see there. If we take this example, now see there. In this example, so we observe the presence of the same element only. Now what is that same element? Carbon only we have considered. Okay, right. Like that, if we observe the presence of same elements. Now, if we take one more example, if it is like this. Now, this is the example for the catenation? No. What is the meaning of catenation? Catenation means compulsory we observe the presence of the same atoms or the elements. If we observe the presence of the different types of the elements, at that time the property is not called as catenation. That is the point you have to remember. What is the definition? Self linkage of identical atoms to form chains, rings or the side chains. That is known as catenation. Now the carbon is having that ability to form such type of chains, rings and the side chains. Okay, right. Sir, you are telling that now carbon is the best example which is going to exhibit such type of catenation, sir. Is there any other elements that are also exhibit such type of catenation? Means yes, of course. Some more other examples also there. What are the means? Silica, germanium, nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur. Like that, other elements are also having the tendency to exhibit such type of catenation. But that catenation power is very high for which element? Means then the answer is carbon. It means they are asking question like that. Among all these elements, means if you take the periodic table elements, 180 elements are there. Among all the periodic elements, if you take 118 elements, among all these elements, which element is exhibiting the high catenation power or the property? Means then the answer is carbon. So why this carbon is exhibiting such type of high catenation power? Means then the answer for that one is due to its smaller size. Of course, remaining elements are also exhibiting such type of catenation property, but so the strength of that catenation power is very high for the carbon when compared with the other elements. Okay, what is the reason for that one? Means due to its smaller size, whatever the bonds that are formed in between the atoms, that bonds are very strong. Such type of strong strength is not observed if we take the silica. Even silica is also forming like this bonds here. But if we compare this strength of the bond with this one, at that time, now this bond is very strong. Why it is very strong? Means because whatever the elements that are involved in this chain, the size of that elements are very small. Due to that reason only, so we observe the formation of a strong bond. But coming to the silicon, size is increased here. Due to that reason, the strength of the bond is less when compared to the carbon. That's why this carbon is exhibiting the high catenation power. Okay, right. So this is regarding the first special property that is exhibited by the carbon. Okay, right. Next, coming to the second one. What is the second property of this one? Means that is tetravalency. What is the meaning of tetravalence means? Now carbon can form how many bonds means? Carbon is having the tendency to form how many bonds means? 4 bonds. Okay, it is having the tendency to form 4 bonds. So why it is forming the 4 bonds means? Now if you take the carbon atomic number here, 6 here. What about the electronic configuration means? That is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2 here. Now this is the ground state. Now you have to take the excited state here. Okay, if you take the excited state of this carbon, excited state of carbon, at that time how you can write this one means 1s2, 2s1 and 2p3. For understanding purpose I will write like this. Now this is the outermost configuration. Okay, outermost shell here 2s1 and 2p3. Now here we observe the presence of how many number of unpaired electrons means 4 unpaired electrons are there. Due to that reason only carbon can form easily how many bonds means 4 bonds. Okay, right. So this is regarding the second point. Just you remember this point, okay. In organic chemistry we will discuss, okay, in depth. Okay, right. Now what is the second property that is exhibited by this carbon means? Now it is exhibiting the tetravalence. Okay, right. Next, coming to the third one. If you take the third one, what is the third one means? That is, now this carbon is having the tendency to form multiple bonds. Now it is having the formation of the multiple bonds. What are these multiple bonds? Multiple bonds means like this. Now see there, right here, just you have to tell the difference. Now see there, is there any difference, Yes, of course. Coming to the first case, now here we observe the presence of only single bond. But coming to the second case, now here we observe the presence of the double bond. But coming to the third case, here we observe the presence of the triple bond. It means carbon is having the tendency not only to form a single bond, but also is having the tendency to form double bond, even triple bonds here. Now the double bonds and the triple bonds are known as nothing but the multiple bonds. Now what is the third point? Carbon is having the tendency to form the multiple bonds like double bond and the triple bond. Okay, right. Carbon is the tetravalent. That's right. Now see this. Now I have represented only one bond. Remaining 3 bonds are like this. You have represented. Here are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now 2 bonds are there here. Okay, I will write here. Okay. See, double bonds. 2 bonds are there. Remaining 3 bonds. Okay, now see this. Here 3 bonds are there. Remaining. Carbon 4 bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here also carbon is forming 4 bonds. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Like that. Carbon here also forming 4 bonds. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Like that. Now carbon is having the tendency to form the multiple bonds. Next, last one. So what is the last one means? Now if you take the carbon atom, now it is exhibiting the isomerism. It is exhibiting the isomerism. What is the meaning of isomerism means? So the compounds which are having the same molecular formula, but they differ in the properties. They are known as isomers, and that phenomenon is known as isomerism. Okay. Now they are exhibiting the different types of the isomerisms, structural isomerism, stereoisomerism, like that. Now we will discuss all those things. Okay, just you remember. Now this carbon is also exhibiting the, what is the fourth special property of this carbon means? It is going to exhibit the isomerism. What is the meaning of isomerism? I will write the definition here. Isomerism means the compounds which are having same molecular formula, but they differ in properties, Okay, they are known as as isomers, and that phenomenon is known as isomerism. Okay, right. So this is regarding the organic chemistry. Okay, I'll repeat once again, ma. So what is the meaning of this organic chemistry means? Organic chemistry means study of carbon compounds is known as organic chemistry. Now, among all these branches, organic, inorganic, physical, medicinal, pharmaceutical, in all these branches, organic chemistry is very, very important. Why this organic chemistry is very, very important means because by using this carbon atom, we can synthesize the million number of compounds here. Why we can synthesize the million number of compounds means because carbon is exhibiting one special property. What is the special property means? That is catenation. So due to that reason only we can synthesize a large number, a million number of compounds. So that's why organic chemistry is very, very important when compared to that of the remaining branches. Okay, now organic chemistry means it is a branch of chemistry in which we are going to discuss regarding the hydrocarbons and their derivatives. Okay, what are these hydrocarbons? Hydrocarbons means the compounds which are having carbon and hydrogen. Okay, they are called as hydrocarbons. Okay, next one, that is if you take this carbon, it is exhibiting some special property. So due to that reason only this carbon is very important when compared to that of the remaining elements. What are the special properties that are exhibited by the carbon means these are the special properties. What are they? Tell me, ma. What is the first one? First one is catenation. What is the second one, ma? Tetravalence of carbon. What is the third one, ma? Formation of multiple bonds. What is the fourth one, ma? Exhibition. That is it is exhibiting the isomerism. Okay, it is having the tendency to exhibit the isomerism. So due to that special characters only, now we can synthesize a million number of compounds here. Okay, now tell me, what is the meaning of catenation, ma? Catenation means self-linkage of identical atoms to form chains, rings or the side chains. Okay, that property is known as catenation. Now that carbon is having ability to form such type of chains, rings and the side chains here. Okay, right. Now not only this carbon but also remaining elements. Like what are the elements, ma? Silicon, germanium, even sulfur, nitrogen, phosphorus. All these elements are also exhibiting such type of catenation. But among all these elements which is exhibiting the high catenation property or the power means, then the answer is carbon. Why it is exhibiting the high catenation power means due to its smaller size. Okay, right. So this is regarding the catenation. Now if you take the carbon is forming how many bonds, ma? 4 bonds. Why it is forming the 4 bonds means because in excited state how many number of unpaired electrons are there in carbon atom means 4 are there. So due to that reason only now it is having the tendency to form the 4 bonds. That's why carbon is a tetravalent compound. Tetravalent compound means it can easily form the how many bonds means 4 bonds. Right? Now third one is formation of multiple bonds. Multiple bonds and double bonds and triple bonds. Now this carbon not only forms such type of single bonds but also it is having the tendency to form the double bond and triple bond. Last property that is exhibited by this carbon is it is none other than the isomerism. What is the meaning of that isomerism means? The compounds which are having the same molecular formula but they differ in the properties, they are known as isomers, and that phenomenon is known as isomerism. That isomerism is classified into 2 types, structural isomerism and the second one is the stereoisomerism. Okay, we'll discuss later. Okay, right. So this is regarding the organic chemistry. Next, some more branches are there. What are they? Inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry. Okay, so in the next class we are going to discuss regarding the remaining branches of the chemistry and the importance of the chemistry. Okay, right, ma? Thank you. Then tomorrow I will continue. Okay.